Do you guys want this type of quality on your all platforms, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, with no compression and non-drop quality? For this, first render your edit on lossless quality. This is my 4K edit. Select lossless from here, name it, and just click on render. After that, just wait for render complete. Okay, after that you can see the size of this edit is really huge. It's almost 40 gigabytes. But for that we're going to use the HandBrake software. It is the rendering software. You can download it from the description. Import it in the HandBrake. After importing it, we have our edit here, so copy my settings here. First select the production max from the presets, this one. After that, go to the video tab and here select the average bitrate. For the 4K video, the 60,000 kbps is enough, and the encoder preset should be depending on your PC. I'm going to use lower, and for the encoder level, 4.2 is for 1080p and 5.2 is for 4K. This is all. And for the summary, you can enable the web optimize and align AV start. This will optimize your video for the social media. After that, go to the audio section and set the quality to the maximum 5. Yes, and just click on encode and it will start encoding and rendering. This HandBrake preset will be available in my description. This is the tutorial how to import them in your HandBrake. Just go to the options and import the presets. Once it's imported, you can select it from the preset gallery, just like this. After selecting it, your setting will be applied. Easy. After the render is complete, delete the old video, which is really huge. And this new video is much lower size, and you can upload it from your PC or mobile, whichever works both. And you can see the quality is very good, and it will not drop on your social media just like me. So I hope you guys like this video and my settings. So make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you guys.